G'day viewers, well I'm going to be servicing this Honda motor today. Before I continue pumping with it. I don't think the oil's been changed in a long time. This pump hardly gets used, so it's just an emergency pump. Hand under there, just yeah, it's pretty black. Set it up there in the rag. Hope it stays. Oh, that is hard. Yeah. We changed it once, but we used it a couple of times. Didn't change it for ages, and it just sits there. That should be all of it. It's all going to that one plug, so yeah. Careful how I got the position at the moment. The engine. There we go. That's all the engine oil contains, and now I've got to put the new stuff in. Which is, it says it's, what is it? Yeah, it says it all, but it's the right stuff anyway. Yeah, whoops, spilled some oil. Oh well. Don't tell that, Gore. Just getting this thing on straight. Come on, you can do it. Damn threads. I hate it when those things don't go on straight, they're in an awkward position. Try and get these threads on here without cross-threading. Bit of a challenge to get this on. I don't know why it has to be so much of a pain in the ass. Shouldn't be this hard to screw on an oil cap. Don't know why it is, we never want to go on straight. Okay viewers, the oil's in, it's all topped up. And then the spark plug, which is a real pest. Yeah, that wasn't so hard. It was actually quite loose. Yeah, it must be the original spark plug for this engine. That's how little use this engine's had over the time I had it. We've actually had this since new, so yeah, very stiff. Yeah, could do it with a clean, so yeah, I'll do that. Hey, Whiskers. Puss. Here, cat. Here. Puss. Cat's a bit scared. Anyway, got the MEK, methyl ethyl ketone here. Wash your spark plug in the pure methyl ethyl ketone. Wash all that carbon crap off it. This is the actual original spark plug from the engine. It's W20 EPR-U Nippon Denso, or ND. So it stands for Nippon Denso. It's the original plug. Yeah, it's just the engine's been sitting. Old fuel sits in the carbon, so yeah, give this sort of a good clean out. It should run good. But yeah, the engine does sound backfire on camera, but it doesn't actually backfire in reality. It's just this camera, whenever something's running, it just sounds backfire. There's some dislodged carbon coming out of it. Let it soak. So yeah, you need to clean a carboned up spark plug without abrasing it too much. Use this stuff. Pretty good stuff. just leaves a nasty red stain though, so that's probably the only drawback of it. Yeah, some more carbon coming off that. Stitch slodgy. There it all is down there. Just like that. Okay, although it's a bit carbony down there. The camera can't really pick it up, but the piston's got a little bit of carbon built up on it. So yeah, I've just checked that the valve cover's tightened, because yeah, a bit of oil leaking out of here. The exhaust pipe's good. It's just off of the carbon, but it runs okay, so it can't be too bad. So yeah, a little bit of carbon in there, but it's not enough to make it blow smoke or run like crap or anything. It's just good it's been sitting for a while. Yeah, it's got fresh oil on it. Clean this spark plug up. Yeah, it's coming off. Let that soak for a bit. What are you doing, cat? Cat's up to no good. Hey cat, what are you doing? Puss, puss, puss. There's more coming off there. Might give it a scrub with this rag, we'll see what happens. We'll do that. Okay, we've always got the spark plugs all polished. Damn rag had a bit of oil on it, so I got a bit of oil on the end of the plug, so that doesn't matter, she'll burn off. Oil's right. Got fuel. Plug's all cleaned up. The next thing I gotta do is lube this up because this is starting to stick, so I'll undo them before I start it. Yeah, because that just grabs. So I get a little spanner here, we'll take it off, we'll give it a lube up. It's good to have these sockets, good spark plug sockets. I think it's a 10mm. Oh, they're hard. Okay, viewers, we'll get a bit of silicone spray here. Just a Loctite brand silicone spray. Oh, in there. Now we'll try it. Yeah, still a bit sticky. Try and see if you can do it in front of the camera here. Yeah, it's not as bad now. Still a bit lazy, but I need a bit more silicone spray in there. Just a bit. It's a bit icky, but should be alright. Sure, we'll soak in. Yeah, that's better. That's better. A bit more responsive now. So yeah. Okay, viewers, all time for a test. Yeah, that was better. Easier starting. Retracted nice and freely. Real good. Oil light, not complaining. It was running as if the chafe was half on before, but now it's a bit better than what it was. For some reason this camera mic picks up backfires that the engine's not even doing. Strange camera mic. proper just old fuel been sitting in the carby for a while. It's going good. Don't want to get stuck. Priming, yeah. Actually, you prime the pump to fill it up before you start it. Still doesn't run quite right. Still has a bit of an yeah, that popping and farting every now and then. I might need a carby clean, but I don't have any proper carby cleaner though, so I might be able to do that today. Yeah, so might need a bit of a carby clean, but I have to get some proper carby cleaner one day. Give it a good flush. But yeah. As for cleaning the spark plug itself with pure methyl ethyl ketone, which is the main product of the carby cleaner, use a bit of this stuff. Yeah, I actually dislodged a lot of carbon out of the plug, so that's good stuff. So now I've got to get the electric pump going again. So yeah, that's the Honda engine all serviced up. So yeah, get this little motor going now. Plug it in. There we go. The water's just getting cleaner in there. Keep letting that pump out. Meanwhile, I want to check how much drainage I got in this pit. Yeah, chook pen's all flooded out. Yeah, got a rainwater from the tank, but until they overflowed. If I can get my fingers in here somehow without hurting them. I need the pliers, I can't open that. Gotta get the pliers to open it. Okay, we always time to remove this lid. Oh, look at that, there's pipes all underwater. The water table's actually risen by a couple of inches. Holy hell, it's brought the water table up. Holy shit. That's a lot of rain. Those pipes are about an inch over the top of the water, the top of those pipes. We've still got a flow going though from that pipe to this one. But it's actually risen the water table up. This rain we've had just over the past week. That's unbelievable. We've never had that much rain all in one time, ever. And it's just unbelievable. It's risen the water table up. So yeah, well, that's enough that. So we're going to have a look at this pump. Sorry, Max. In the water, Max, in the water. Hey, go around the water, smart dog. That's nearly all the water gone, viewers, so yeah, thanks for watching.